So we are creating this HTTP request node, and with the help of this node we will be uploading the outfit image to an website that is IMGBB, and with the help of that website we will get an URL, and that URL will be publicly accessible. So we have provided the URL, and then you have to enable this send body, and under this body content type you have to choose this one, that is form data. Scroll down, and parameter body, it should be N8N binary file. In the name, let me give image, and here under this input data field name, so it should be the same name that you have given in the previous node, that is on form submission. So the name was this one, image. Make sure I should be kept here. So whatever the name you have given in the previous node, same you have to type it here, and then click on execute step. So it has uploaded this image, this is the image, to the website that is IMGBB, and it has provided the URL as well. This is the URL. Let me copy and check. Now you can see my outfit or image has been successfully uploaded to this website. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.